The Dyson V8 Plus Cordless Vacuum is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool designed to make household cleaning effortless. With strong suction and a lightweight design, this vacuum is perfect for both quick cleanups and deep cleaning sessions. Right now, it's available at 30% off, making it the perfect time to upgrade your cleaning routine. One of the standout features of the Dyson V8 Plus is its cordless convenience. With up to 40 minutes of runtime, you can easily clean multiple rooms without worrying about plugging and unplugging. The vacuum quickly converts into a handheld unit, making it ideal for cleaning furniture, car interiors, and hard-to-reach spaces. Its advanced filtration system captures fine dust and allergens, ensuring a cleaner home environment. The Motorized Cleaner Head effectively removes dirt from both carpets and hard floors, making it a great choice for homes with pets or kids. Plus, the Hygienic Dirt Ejector allows you to empty the bin without getting your hands dirty. The lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, and the wall-mounted docking station ensures convenient storage and charging. Whether you're tackling pet hair, dust, or debris, the Dyson V8 Plus delivers consistent and powerful suction every time. With its sleek silver and nickel finish, this vacuum doesn't just perform well but also looks stylish in any home. Right now, with a 30% discount, there's never been a better time to invest in a high-quality vacuum. If you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and easy-to-use vacuum, the Dyson V8 Plus is a fantastic choice. Visit the link in the description below to grab yours before the sale ends.